What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And we finally made a decision on this old Camry. We decided just to buy a whole nother car because we found several engines and the best price we could get was a little over $1,500 plus tax for the engine. And we found another car at Copart for a little over $3,000, so only $1,500 more than you get an entire car. But the car at Copart, the two doors are dented in and this portion of the quarter panel is messed up. So when we get the car, we're gonna go today. First, we're gonna go to the bank and get a certified check because that's the cheapest way to get a car at Copart. And then go rent a trailer, and then we'll make a decision. So stay tuned and help us decide if we should take the engine out of that car and put in this car, or just take the doors and quarter panel and put on that car. So let's get going. We're finally loaded up and headed home. The car back there. Took about 3 hours at Copart to pay, and then another hour or so to get loaded up. So I guess it pays to be a preferred member and not just a regular member. So stay tuned. We're gonna get home, do a little inspection, walk around. Tyler be home, and then we need your help on helping us decide if we should take the engine out of this car and put in our old car, or take the doors and fender off our old car and put on this one. So stay tuned. We'll be back in a few seconds and help us out.
All right, I just got back from school. My dad just got back from New Orleans picking up the car. He just unloaded it from the trailer, and it is the exact same car. To start off, let's look at the engine. The engine looks pretty nice. I'm not sure what this is, or it's a battery, not sure what kind of battery.
That, my son, is a rich man's battery. Optima battery. Main reason I bought the car. If somebody puts that kind of battery in it, you know they took good care of a car.
When my dad was hooking up the battery, this alarm started going off. He didn't know what it was. Turns out, notice you're on camera, it was a Viper. So I'm thinking it was a security camera. Security person car.
Yeah, this says something, District Fraternal Order of Police, booster member.
The damage, it looks like it was in a construction area because this road stuff got on it.
It's tar.
And if you look over here, it looks like it was a forklift that went in there. So I wonder if that happened at Copart.
It's possible.
The suspension looks like we might have to change that.
Looks slightly bent in. I guess when that looks like a tire that was in tar kind of rubbed up against it, maybe bent that in.
Bumper, we could probably fix the bumper. I'm sure we actually can. In the trunk. 3 things: a car wash, fork, and a water bottle.
Back of the car is perfect.
Oh, and under here, it comes with gloves, a golf tee.
What is that? A light?
Yeah, I guess
I don't
so.
know how that works.
battery, maybe. This side of the car looks perfect. Nothing bad, no damage.
It's got good tires on it.
So let's take a look at the inside. The inside is very clean. Nothing compared to that Camry. There's no smoke smell, no ashes, and no trash. Came with this yellow envelope. Looks like it's part of that camera system this car has.
Looks like it was mounted on the windshield.
And the key. But nothing else up there. And then in the back,
Back is spotless too.
there's some gloves in that back door and some medical cards. Not sure what for though. But other than that, the car is really clean and pretty good. So, do you think we should take that engine and put in the old Camry, or get the Camrys on that door and put it on this car? So comment below and let us know what you think.
Let's go look at the old Camry right quick.
All right.
All right, so this Camry, it needs an engine and it needs a front bumper. And that's really all that we know that it needs. But the inside on this one, it has a bad smoke smell, and it was really badly taken care of. So let us know, what do you think we should do? Put that car's engine in here, or take these two doors, and we'll probably have to cut this quarter panel here and then cut it. We'll probably cut it here and here and weld that on that car, and then take this rocker panel and put on that car. And I think that'll be a much better car. But we do have to figure out the alarm system first, because it won't even let us turn it on. It has all that disengaged. So comment below, let us know what we should do, and we will see you next time.